In Malaysia, making weapons is illegal. I mean, firearm, guns, those kind of stuff. But how about cosplay weapons? I mean, prop weapons or fake weapons. Is that illegal too? Let's do some research and talk about the topic today. Welcome back to my workshop. I'm Bruce. Today we talk about cosplay style. Cosplay, think prop weapons, costume stuff. And I'm not talking about how to make them or how to print them, how to design them, but I'll talk about the law in Malaysia. Because if you like to be one cosplay in Malaysia, you might have ideas want to make some cool costume with some weapons. You know, cause some character without a weapon is like the people without a soul. It's boring, right? Where is there any example? Let's talk about like my generation, Final Fantasy VIII Square, the weapon, the gun blade. That is the most coolest thing I've been seeing when that moment. Now no, then too many weapons already now, and some of them I made before. This is a lightsaber, and this 3D printed lightsaber with some painting. So some of them you can make it look so real, but the problem is that legal in Malaysia? I can't find any law against 3D printing now, but printing a gun definitely is illegal stuff. So by Section 36 of the Armed Act 1916, they say that any person who carry around an imitation arms, which means look like arms, look like the guns, without a license, and shall be liable to up to 1 year in prison and or fine up to 5,000 ringgit. So, which means whatever you make, even if you use a soft foam gun or use a paper newspaper, make it as real as possible, is still illegal, even made by paper, because it is imitation arm. This look like one. So you're scaring people. Maybe an old woman look at you, take out a toys gun, and she's scared, and yeah, that you got troubles. Even like this is illegal. Don't talk about BB guns or some other toys gun. Well, but if you make it not look like the real one, people know that is fake, then no problem. So so the case is you can't make guns. And also sword weapons, because weapon, we talk about weapons, you've got a gun, you've got sword, you've got axe, you've got something. But if you make sword by foam, it make it beautiful, it is fine because it's not going to hurt people. But that is still got a laws talking about offensive weapon Act 1955, and that is talking about when a cosplay character who hold a weapon, you need to make sure that do not capable of actually harming people. Example, if you make a assassin blade, the hidden blade, you shoot it out, you don't harm people, then you should be fine. There's no problems on that. So if what you make is not harming people, but the case is if you 3D print the blade, it's possible to harm people. So which means no, you can't. Okay, second part, costume. As long as you're not wearing dress up like a policeman or who PDRM people, that should be fine, because no matter you make yourself as a monster or robot or Iron Man, that is not illegal. You can do that in public in any way. But if your outfit, the character outfit is a little bit reveling, which means less clothes, expose your body a lot, then you should find a way to cover them. And you should not do that in public. So example, if you got a character is naked, no point you could really go to naked, right? That is illegal in Malaysia. Okay, that's very sensitive. So, and also that is really depend, but very hard to draw a line between them, because it's really depend on what society consider acceptable. So they just try not to do something weird that should be fine. A normal cosplay, no problems. Okay, the third part is a copyright issue or not. Yeah, because if you cosplay some character, that means you are using other people characters, not yours. That they normally got patented by companies, those big. But you are probably thinking that big company have better thing to do than sue you for showing your fandom. Yeah, and you're absolutely right, correct here. Unless you are stealing someone character as your own and you are selling them or you're making money from them, that is big trouble. Like you making a Gundam for yourself should be fine, but you make a Gundam for special sales and you make a lot of sales, that got troubles. Just express yourself. Okay, I think today's like until here. Let me know what you think about legal thing in 3D printing and also in cosplay. If you want to make props, is that legal or not? You want to make props for sale, is that legal or not? Yeah, I'm willing to find more answer, and if you know something, you can let me know where to find the resource. Leave the comment below. And I'm Bruce. See you next video.